Triphala is traditional Ayurvedic medicine, which is used to treat various health conditions since ancient times. It is a mixture of 3 dried fruits, namely Indian gooseberry Emblica officinalis, black myrobalan, Terminalia cepula, and Haritaki, Terminalia cepula. Due to its multiple health benefits, Triphala is considered a polyherbal medicine. It is also believed to promote longevity and prevent chronic disease. Not just this, Triphala can help you lose unwanted fat from the body. So, if you want to lose weight, here is why you should try Triphala. Triphala and weight loss. Triphala helps to keep the stomach, small intestine, and large intestine healthy by flushing out toxins from the body. It acts as a colon toner and helps in strengthening and toning the tissues of the colon. This, in turn, helps to manage the weight of a person. This Ayurvedic herb also helps fight constipation and inflammation of the digestive tract. It also decreases cholesterol levels significantly and helps remove water weight by reducing bloating. The 3 ingredients found in Triphala offer various health benefits. Indian gooseberry, rich in antioxidants. Indian gooseberry or amla helps to remove toxins from the body. This fruit regulates the health of the pancreas, manages cholesterol levels, and keeps bones strong. Black myrobalan, also known as bipitaki, black myrobalan regulates cholesterol levels and keeps muscle and bones healthy and strong. Haritaki is a nut-shaped fruit and is beneficial to the human body. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, Haritaki is beneficial in numerous health issues like sore throat, allergies, constipation, and indigestion. 4 ways to have Triphala for weight loss. Triphala powder with cold water. Add 2 teaspoons of Triphala powder to a glass of water and leave it overnight. Drink the concoction in the morning on an empty stomach. Triphala powder with honey and cinnamon. Add a teaspoon of Triphala powder and a small stick of cinnamon in a glass of water and leave it overnight. In the morning, add a tablespoon of honey to this mixture and drink it on an empty stomach. Triphala tablet. Have 1 tablet with warm water at night before going to sleep. Triphala tea. You can also make Triphala tea with Triphala powder. To make the tea, add a tablespoon of Triphala powder to a cup of boiling water. Pour the water into a cup and let it cool for a while. Add a tablespoon of lime juice before drinking it.